Good morning, guys! Welcome back to the vlog! And for today's video, we are going to Magic Kingdom. So, parang ito yung Disneyland ng Disney World. So, we are now on our way to the lobby to wait for the free shuttle. So, time check. It is now 8:10 and our shuttle will arrive at 8:45, around 8:45. And nagpabook kami ng pauwi ng 10:15 para mapanood namin yung fireworks. Kasi maganda yung fireworks sa Disneyland. Parang nandun siya sa castle tapos maraming mga fireworks. So without further ado, guys, maya na lang tayo magkita sa Magic Kingdom. So good morning, guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Magic Kingdom and we expected na napakadaming tao ngayon. Kaya uunahin namin mag-ride kasi para mamaya na lang yung picture-picture para tapos na kami sa lahat ng ride kasi habang tumatagal, mas dumadami yung tao. This is Magic Kingdom, ito yung parang talagang Disneyland kaya mahirap. So ngayon, nandito na kami sa entrance. So para makapunta na sa Magic Kingdom, pwede ka mag-ferry or pwede kang sumakay ng monorail ng Disney. So mag-monorail na lang kami. Di, nasa na yung ticket? So, bumili na kami ng ticket. Yung parang card siya. So, pass na yun sa 4 na park.
It's gotta be me. I'm gonna reset it, sir.
Tap mo yung ano mo. So guys, we will ride the train first. So guys, as you can see, I am the one who was carrying the backpack because Leo is sick. So, sabi ko ako na lang yung magdadala ng backpack kasi nga, pag si Leo na papagod ng sobra-sobra at medyo stress, talaga nagkakasakit siya. But since we lost our luggage, we are so stressed our first day. But now we are totally not stressed anymore. So guys, we will ride the train and bababa kami sa first stop which is the Frontier. May mga stop to, may Fantasyland, Tomorrowland, pero unahin namin daw yung Frontier. So nandito na kami ngayon sa train. So makikita namin yung around the Disneyland, around the Magic Kingdom, I mean. Nandito tayo. Saan tayo pupunta ngayon? Dito, Frontier. Okay. May mga section pala siya. Fantasyland, Tomorrowland, Liberty Square, Adventureland. Mas maganda dito muna tayo sa dulo kasi dyan mga less pa yung mga tao eh. Nandito pa ngayon yung mga tao nagpipicture sa mga ano. Ba, matalino ha?
I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in mind come to a complete stop.
As we go to the station, please remain seated until the train is going forward to the stop. Can I give you those match folders off?
Dito na ba tayo?
Once again, please remain.
Tara na! Tara na! May difficulties daw sila. They don't know what time they will open. My 50 pala is to put on a sunscreen or bring your sunscreen. May mga non-greasy. Tapos mas maganda kung mineral kaysa chemical. Mineral yung mga mas safe siya sa skin and to protect from UV rays and sun rays yung skin mo. Kasi para hindi prone sa skin cancer. So may mga pang spray din na sunscreen kasi dito sa Disneyland Florida or Magic Kingdom is super init talaga. Talagang masusunog yung mukha mo. So it's better to have sunscreen all the time as well as in Hong Kong. Napakainit din po sa Hong Kong ng Disneyland. So be ready always. So the Frontier Pwede. So the Frontier ride is having a difficulties and they still don't know what time they will open. So we will proceed to the next stop. So we will ride the train again. Sila yung nagte-thank you lang pag magaganda yung pinagtatanungan. Pag matatanda, hindi siya nagte-thank you. Ako yung taga-thank you niya pag nagtatanong siya. Ang init, guys. Sorry. Antsaka na talaga ng screen ko ngayon kasi sobrang pagod na. Wala na akong leisure rest, char. Wala na talaga. Sabi nga ng mga bakla, pag wala ka daw sapat na tulog, hindi daw nadikit talaga yung ano mo, punda. Punda as in foundation day. Char. Sayang, yung una namin stop, sira yung ride. So, we will proceed to the next stop, which is the Fantasyland. So, maybe babalik na lang kami dito kasi 5 minutes din yung walk. So, medyo malayo din siya. So, we will just ride the train again. We are already waiting for the train to arrive by about 5 minutes. And guys, may mga construction pa dito na ginagawa. Ayan o. Non-stop ang Disney super yaman. Para magawa tong Disneyland. Pero advice ko talaga sis, mga sisi, go to Disneyland once in your lifetime. So pag walang pera, mag-ipon, punta ng Hong Kong Disneyland, especially dun sa mga nasa Pilipinas. So pag may pera ka naman, huwag ka na magtipid sis, kasi this is the best, one of the best. May nakita nga akong mga matatanda, as in partner sila, pumupunta, as in partner, wala silang kids, nagdi-Disneyland sila. Mga puti sila, ganyan. Diba? Enjoy life, diba? Kasi life is short, I believe. But life is amazing.
Favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, sea and dew in these woods. Hiking around a campfire that...
We are now here at Fantasyland and magra-ride muna kami ng Bar Stoner. Hindi naman makakatakot. Ang taas!
Shit.
Bye, elephant. Favorite ko dati yan, yung Dumbo dati ng bata pa. So guys, mag-speed rail muna kami. Kasi baka mamaya mahaba na yung pila, kaya wala muna kaming picture, talagang rides lang kami muna. Tapos mamaya na lang yung picture. Pag oh my god, ang daming tao dito. Dapat talaga unahin namin to. Ang init pa ng pila guys. Wala siya. Sige na, laban na. Mamaya mas mahaba pa yan. Mamaya na nga ako mag-video guys. Magdadrive muna ako, hindi ako marunong mag- So guys, another tip pala is when you're going to Disneyland or Magic Kingdom, make sure to go there early, to go here early, para ma-maximize yung lahat ng rides kasi marami talagang tao guys. And make sure, another tip is make sure to bring face towel or extra t-shirt because it's so humid, it's very hot here, as well as medicine. Like si Leo, nakakapag-survive lang siya because of the medicine kasi parang medyo magkakasakit na siya, pero dahil pinainom ko siya kaagad, nakaka-survive siya. Yun lang guys for now.
So it just needs getting this.
May naiyak na bata. Here is Belle.
Video ako, Obi.
Hindi masarap to pagkain ko. We are now on our way to Tarzan's house.
Sikat ako, ini.
Uy, bababasa ako!
There be Captain Jack Sparrow and the treasure, you blues rat. You lily-livered lover!
You could have on singing voice. Do that.
Harap ka dito.
On the left there's the African elephant. They have the best memory in the whole jungle. I wish I had a memory like that. I think it would really help me. Works every time. We want to be friends forever, but don't worry, guys. Enough. Some people say I find this really annoying. A lot of people think my job is so easy. A monkey can do it, but they're really wrong. A chimp can. A chimp. That's a puzzle. Well, look what we found. We found the baby pool of Indian elephants.
So guys, hindi ko pala na-record yung mga things to do and things to bring sa Magic Kingdom. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko pala na-record yun. Kaya sabi ko, kasi itatitle ko dito sa ano ko, sa vlog ko is things to do in Magic Kingdom. First, wag nyo iwawala yung card nyo, lalo na kung bumili kayo ng 3-day pass kasi kakailanganin nyo talaga yan sa mga lockers na yung mga extreme rides na kailangan itabi yung bags bago ka pumunta doon sa rides. Second, bring tumbler kasi may mga nare-refillan ng water doon sa Disneyland or Magic Kingdom. So, makakasave kayo ng money. Third, ano pa bang third? Bring extra t-shirt or face towel kasi sobrang init. Fourth, ano pa ba? Oh my God. Fourth, suggestion pa ako nakalimutan ko lang. So far, yun lang muna. Anyway, guys, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box pag may naalala ko na mga tips ko sa pagpunta ng Disneyland. Anyway, yun pala. Yung Minnie Mouse ears, yung suot ko. So, nabibili lang siya sa Walmart ng $8 at Temu $1 lang. But in Disneyland or Magic Kingdom, it will cost you $30. So, para makales ka lang ng mga makales ka ng pera kasi that's 1,500 in pesos. That's so expensive for just the Minnie Mouse ears. And ano ba? Another thing is bring sunscreen lalo na sa mga bata para protected naman yung skin nila from UV rays and sun rays and anything na mga bad thing about sobrang init kasi. Ano pa ba? Medicine, always make sure to bring medicine naman in every travel tip na gagawin ko is always bring your medicine. So that's it, guys. Basta tingnan nyo na sa description box yung mga tips ko on going to Disneyland kasi may maalala at may maalala ako at may idadagdag ako. Thank you, guys.